The floating haven life on water. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves with the sunrise casting golden reflections on the water all around you. Welcome to the floating haven, a tiny home that takes compact living to a whole new level. This innovative waterborne retreat combines the charm of a cozy living space with the serenity of a floating lifestyle. If you've ever dreamed of breaking free from the city grind and living closer to nature, this is your chance to experience life as you've never imagined. The floating haven is a marvel of modern design, built to rest gracefully on the water while blending perfectly with its surroundings. The exterior is sleek and minimalist, with large windows and sliding glass doors that give you uninterrupted views of the water. The deck wraps around the structure, offering the perfect spot to sip your morning coffee, catch the sunset, or even dip your toes in the water. Whether anchored at a peaceful lake or moored in a lively marina, this home fits right in and brings a touch of elegance wherever it floats. Inside, the space is cleverly designed to make every square foot count. The open-plan living area feels surprisingly spacious thanks to the natural light streaming through those panoramic windows. A cozy seating area doubles as storage, and the compact kitchen is equipped with all the essentials for whipping up your favorite meals. Imagine cooking dinner with the water shimmering just outside your window. It's the kind of magic the floating haven promises every day. The lofted bedroom offers a snug and private retreat, complete with a skylight for stargazing as you drift off to sleep. The bathroom is compact yet luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower and eco-friendly fixtures that keep sustainability at the forefront. And here's the best part. This tiny home isn't just about style. It's designed for off-grid living, with solar panels, water filtration systems, and energy-efficient appliances. The floating haven turns your dream of living in harmony with nature into a beautiful, tangible reality. It's proof that the best things in life often come in the smallest, most unexpected packages.